Good morning, Woodland. As I was mentioning to you earlier in the week, we're doing our morning assemblies a little bit different. The sense of community and having myself together with Mr. Shank and some of our students each week, I think is going to allow us to really come together as a community, talk about some of the things that are impacting our students and our families during Distance Woodlynde, and have a sense of conversation between us. This gets us much closer to what we usually do when we have morning assemblies on campus in the APR. So I'm really grateful that our students are joining us this morning for this conversation. Today, we're going to be talking a little bit about how there are certain things that have become positives in distance learning. We all miss our campus. We all wish we were back together at school, but there are some real positives that have come from this new experience. And so our 4 students today are going to take turns answering that question for themselves, sharing how there's been a positive impact on their lives and something good that has come from distance learning at Woodlynde. And so getting us started this morning is Grayson, and he's going to share a little bit about what has been positive for him.
One thing that has been positive for me is Zoom. At first, we had a really good distance learning program, but it evolved into something even greater when we started to do Zoom. I'm missing all my classmates, teachers, and friends' faces, but now I can see their faces, and it's a lot better, and I'm really grateful for the new distance learning plan that we have.
Thank you. That was great, Grayson.
Thank you.
Awesome. A positive for me has been I've now been able to focus more on improving upon my time management skills, which I think will really help me in the future with college and other things.
Yeah, that's great. I think that's a message that probably resonates with a lot of people. Thanks so much.
I think the one positive thing is definitely Zoom, because I'm able to see all my friends again in chat, because with that, like, I was really bored not seeing my friends like each week, and now I can. I just think that Zoom is a really, really good idea for distance learning.
Thanks, Emma.
Cool. Well, in my opinion, a positive thing about learning distance is the fact that this goes with college preparation. I feel like we really take advantage of the help here at Woodlynde, and now that we're forced to kind of be self-sufficient, this gives us a good glimpse into if we were to have another coronavirus outbreak in the future and we would have to move to online college. So I feel like this really helps me prepare for that type of a situation.
Thank you, kids. Appreciate all your input. That was awesome. I have a few birthdays to celebrate coming up this weekend on Saturday. Happy birthday to Dr. Simmons. On Saturday also, join me in wishing happy birthday to Alan Smithers. And on Sunday, happy birthday to Kiara Hatton. Make it a great day, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. See ya.